Are you ready to invest in the future of finance? What if I told you that the right cryptocurrency investment today could turn into a life-changing fortune by 2025? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're revealing the best cryptocurrencies to buy now that could skyrocket in the next few years. Don't miss out on these golden opportunities. Let's kick things off with our top picks for 2025. According to recent analyses, here are the best cryptocurrencies to buy now. 1. Bitcoin. Bitcoin continues to be the leader in the crypto market, with projected prices between $80,140 and $80,440 and $80,240 and $151,200. It remains a strong investment choice. 2. Ethereum. With a market cap exceeding $200 billion and being the go-to blockchain for decentralized applications, Ethereum is a must-have in any crypto portfolio. 3. Tether. As a stablecoin, Tether provides a safe haven for investors during market volatility. 4. XRP. With its focus on fast transactions and partnerships with financial institutions, XRP is expected to grow significantly. 5. Binance Coin. As Binance continues to dominate the exchange market, BNB's utility and value are projected to rise. 6. Solana. With a year-to-date performance of 26.9%, Solana is gaining traction for its speed and low transaction costs. Now let's look at some emerging cryptos that could potentially skyrocket in 2025. Bitcoin. Hyper. This is a layer 2 chain scaling Bitcoin, enhancing transaction speeds and offering more efficiency. It has the potential for significant growth. When investing in crypto, diversification is key. Consider pivoting a majority of your portfolio into safer assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, while exploring promising newcomers like Solana and Bitcoin Hyper. That's it for today. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency carries risks, and it's essential to do your own research. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more updates on crypto investments. Thanks for watching and happy investing.